ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a device from your American Express account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the American Express website or opening the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, find the Account Services section. This is typically located in the main menu or under your profile settings. Step 3. Select Manage Devices. In the Account Services menu, look for an option labeled Manage Devices or Device Management. Click on this to see all devices linked to your account. Step 4. Choose the device to remove. From the list of devices, select the one you wish to remove. There should be an option to delete or unlink the device. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. Confirm removal. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the device. Confirm your choice to finalize the process. Remember, if you accidentally remove a device, you can always relink it later through the same menu. Good luck, and I hope this helps you manage your American Express account more easily.